Hello, my beautiful English learning family. I'm Leo. Welcome back to Fearless English Podcast. I am so happy you are here with us today. Take a moment to relax your shoulders. Drop all your stress. You are safe here. Today, we have a very special, deeply powerful video. We are doing an interactive shadowing practice with 101 motivational sentences. If you are new here, shadowing is simple. I speak, and you copy my exact sound right after me. To make this easy and stress-free for you, I will read every single sentence twice. The first time, just listen to the rhythm and the pronunciation. The second time, speak out loud with me. Today's practice is divided into 4 wonderful parts. Part 1 is all about daily mindset and morning energy to wake up your brain. Part 2 helps you overcome mistakes and hard days. Part 3 focuses on money, success, and a growth mindset. And Part 4 finishes with your inner strength and looking forward. If you are ready to build true confidence, hit that like button, subscribe to our fearless family, and let us begin. Take a deep breath. Let us start with Part 1. Welcome to Part 1. We are starting our journey here with daily mindset and morning energy to wake up your brain. Let us begin. Today is a brand new day. Today is a brand new day. I am ready to learn. I am ready to learn. My mind is open and sharp. My mind is open and sharp. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. Small steps lead to big results. Small steps lead to big results. I choose to be happy today. I choose to be happy today. My English is getting better. My English is getting better. I am proud of my progress. I am proud of my progress. Focus on the good things. Focus on the good things. I can handle anything today. I can handle anything today. Every morning is a fresh start. Every morning is a fresh start. I bring value to the world. I bring value to the world. My energy is high and positive. My energy is high and positive. I am creating a beautiful life. I am creating a beautiful life. Consistency is my superpower. Consistency is my superpower. I am calm and relaxed. I am calm and relaxed. Good things take time. Good things take time. I am the driver of my life. I am the driver of my life. Today is full of possibilities. Today is full of possibilities. I love learning new things. I love learning new things. My potential is endless. My potential is endless. I welcome peace into my day. I welcome peace into my day. I am moving forward. I am moving forward. This day is a gift. This day is a gift. Great job. Let us keep going. Great job. Let us keep going. Fantastic job finishing Part 1. That was all about your morning energy. Now we are starting Part 2, which is all about overcoming mistakes and hard days. This part will protect your peace when learning feels difficult. Let's begin Part 2. Mistakes help me learn. Mistakes help me learn. It is okay to be a beginner. It is okay to be a beginner. I do not give up easily. I do not give up easily. Difficult days make me stronger. Difficult days make me stronger. Fear is just a feeling. Fear is just a feeling. I am brave enough to try. I am brave enough to try. No one is perfect. No one is perfect. Progress is better than perfection. Progress is better than perfection. I can do hard things. I can do hard things. I breathe out all my stress. I breathe out all my stress. Tomorrow is another chance. Tomorrow is another chance. I am stronger than my excuses. I am stronger than my excuses. My past does not define me. My past does not define me. I choose to be patient with myself. I choose to be patient with myself. Every mistake is a lesson. Every mistake is a lesson. I am safe and okay. I am safe and okay. Challenges make life interesting. Challenges make life interesting. I can change my thoughts. I can change my thoughts. I am doing my absolute best. I am doing my absolute best. Slow progress is still progress. Slow progress is still progress. I refuse to worry today. I refuse to worry today. My courage is growing. My courage is growing. I am resilient and strong. I am resilient and strong. Peace starts inside my mind. Peace starts inside my mind. You are doing amazing. You are doing amazing. You are doing beautiful work. We just finished part 2 on overcoming mistakes. Now we are entering part 3, which focuses on money, success, and a growth mindset. This section will build your confidence to talk about financial freedom and achievements. Let us keep the momentum going. I am open to success. I am open to success. Hard work brings good rewards. Hard work brings good rewards. I control my financial future. I control my financial future. I save money every week. I save money every week. Opportunities are all around me. Opportunities are all around me. I am building a secure life. I am building a secure life. My time is very valuable. My time is very valuable. I spend my money wisely. I spend my money wisely. Success is a daily habit. Success is a daily habit. I invest in my education. I invest in my education. Wealth starts with a good mindset. Wealth starts with a good mindset. I am grateful for what I have. I am grateful for what I have. More abundance is coming to me. More abundance is coming to me. I think before I spend. I think before I spend. I am capable of earning more. I am capable of earning more. My goals are clear and reachable. My goals are clear and reachable. I work smart and stay focused. I work smart and stay focused. Financial freedom is my goal. Financial freedom is my goal. I am smart with my choices. I am smart with my choices. Every day I grow wiser. Every day I grow wiser. I celebrate other people's success. I celebrate other people's success. I can create multiple streams of income. I can create multiple streams of income. My mindset is my biggest asset. My mindset is my biggest asset. I choose long-term freedom over short-term fun.
I choose long-term freedom over short-term fun. Wow, look at you go. Wow, look at you go.
Incredible job. Part 3 about wealth and growth mindset is complete. We are now entering our very last section, Part 4, inner strength and looking forward. These final sentences will anchor your confidence and give you the ultimate power to speak without fear. Let us cross the finish line together. I am comfortable in my skin. I am comfortable in my skin. My voice deserves to be heard. My voice deserves to be heard. I speak English with ease. I speak English with ease. I am a kind and good friend. I am a kind and good friend. I match my actions to my words. I match my actions to my words. My heart is full of gratitude. My heart is full of gratitude. I attract positive people. I attract positive people. I protect my personal peace. I protect my personal peace. I am the creator of my future. I am the creator of my future. The future is bright and beautiful. The future is bright and beautiful. I am constantly expanding my mind. I am constantly expanding my mind. I follow my true passion. I follow my true passion. I am proud of who I am becoming. I am proud of who I am becoming. My path is unique and special. My path is unique and special. I have the power to change. I have the power to change. I live in the present moment. I live in the present moment. My dreams are worth working for. My dreams are worth working for. I am a beacon of bright light. I am a beacon of bright light. I spread love wherever I go. I spread love wherever I go. I am worthy of love and respect. I am worthy of love and respect. My mind is filled with peaceful thoughts. My mind is filled with peaceful thoughts. I trust the timing of my life. I trust the timing of my life. I am open to new adventures. I am open to new adventures. I finish what I start. I finish what I start. I am becoming fluent in English. I am becoming fluent in English. I am completely unstoppable. I am completely unstoppable. Amazing. 101 sentences. Give yourself a massive, massive round of applause. You did an incredible job today. By speaking these powerful sentences out loud, you trained your pronunciation, your mouth muscles, and most importantly, your mind. Please bookmark this video and practice it out loud every single morning for 21 days. You will see an unbelievable change in how you speak English. Before you go, let us check in. Look below at the comments section. I want you to practice your typing skills right now. Tell us,
Which step was the hardest for you? Step 1, 2, or 5? Let us know below. Thank you for practicing with me today. Click the like button, subscribe to join our beautiful family, and I will see you in our next video. Have a beautiful, fearless day. Bye-bye. Be confident.